Welcome to Bug Bounty and Beyond, your modern application security blueprint. I'm Ujjwal, and today we're diving deep into something that's completely transforming our field, the future of reconnaissance with AI and OSINT. Whether you're a bug bounty hunter looking for that competitive edge, a developer wanting to build more secure code, or a security leader planning your defense strategy, the next 7 minutes will change how you think about reconnaissance forever. So buckle up because we are about to explore the cutting edge intersection where artificial intelligence meets open source intelligence, and it's more powerful than you think. But before we jump in, if you're serious about staying ahead in cybersecurity, hit that subscribe button right now. Look at this, 75.3% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. But our community of cybersecurity professionals is growing fast. Our mission is simple but powerful, to become the destination where bug bounty hunters, developers, and security leaders come together. Because here's the thing, the magic happens when these worlds collide. This isn't just content, it's your competitive advantage in application security. So subscribe now, and let's build the future of cybersecurity together. Here's the reality we are facing. Cyber threats are evolving at machine speed, but most organizations are still using manual reconnaissance techniques from the early 2000s. As attack surfaces expand exponentially and adversaries leverage AI to automate their attacks, we need AI-powered tools and OSINT methodologies that can detect, prevent, and respond to threats faster than ever before. The question isn't whether AI will transform reconnaissance, it's whether you'll be ready when it does. And that transformation, it's happening right now. Let's take a step back and see how we got here. The evolution of reconnaissance in cybersecurity tells an incredible story. We started with manual techniques, analysts spending hours, sometimes days, gathering information piece by piece. Then came automated tools that could scan and enumerate at scale. But now, we're entering the age of intelligent reconnaissance. AI doesn't just automate the boring stuff. It thinks, adapts, and discovers patterns that humans would miss. It's not just evolution, it's revolution. So what does this revolution look like in practice? Let me show you the tools that are changing the game right now in 2025. First up, MindGuard, which puts red teaming on autopilot with continuous AI-driven testing. Then there's Burp Suite with its AI-enhanced vulnerability scanning, Pentest GPT acting as your intelligent penetration testing assistant, and tools like Garak, specifically designed for LLM security testing. These aren't just upgraded versions of old tools, they are fundamentally different. They learn, adapt, and scale in ways we have never seen before. And this is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about the intelligence side of the equation. OSINT isn't just data collection. That's a common misconception that could cost you everything. Real OSINT follows a proven 4-step process: collection, processing, exploitation, and production. But here's where it gets exciting. We're now in the era of third generation OSINT, where AI transforms raw data into actionable intelligence automatically. This means faster analysis, deeper insights, and the ability to process massive datasets that would overwhelm human analysts. The intelligence cycle just got supercharged. But why use individual tools when you can orchestrate entire reconnaissance campaigns? That's where automated frameworks come in. Frameworks like Reengine and Shadow Recon integrate dozens of OSINT and scanning tools into seamless automated workflows. Imagine launching a comprehensive reconnaissance operation with a single command. That's the power we are talking about. These frameworks don't just save time, they scale your capabilities exponentially. One analyst can now do the work that used to require entire teams. Here's where things get really interesting. Machine learning models can now distinguish between normal and malicious behaviors with incredible accuracy. We're talking about autonomous threat detection that works 24/7, predictive analytics that anticipate attacks before they happen, and real-time response systems that adapt faster than any human could. The models learn from every interaction, getting smarter and more effective over time. It's like having a cybersecurity expert that never sleeps and gets better every day. Let me show you this power in action with a real-world example that will blow your mind. A major financial institution was being targeted by a coordinated phishing campaign. Traditional methods would have taken weeks to uncover the full scope, but using AI-powered social media data mining and automated pattern recognition, investigators identified the entire attack infrastructure in just 2.5 hours. The result? They prevented $1.2 million in potential losses and identified 15 compromised accounts before any damage occurred. That's the difference between reactive and proactive security. And here's another game changer. MindGuard's continuous AI-driven pen testing recently exposed something that manual testing had missed for months: an advanced model extraction attack vector. Within hours of deployment, the AI identified the vulnerability, simulated the attack, and provided detailed remediation steps. The client implemented fixes immediately, preventing what could have been a catastrophic IP theft. This isn't just faster testing, it's discovering vulnerabilities that humans simply can't find. Now, if you think what we've covered so far is impressive, hold on to your seats, because we are about to explore the emerging technologies that will define the next decade of cybersecurity. Large language models, generative AI, neural networks that can write exploits. We are entering an era where the line between science fiction and security reality is disappearing fast. The future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's more powerful than anyone imagined. But with great power comes great responsibility and great challenges. Quantum computing is about to disrupt everything we know about OSINT and encryption. On one hand, quantum computers will make data analysis incredibly powerful, processing massive OSINT datasets in seconds. On the other hand, they'll make current encryption methods obsolete overnight. This isn't a distant threat. Major quantum breakthroughs are happening right now. The organizations preparing for this shift today will have a massive advantage tomorrow. And speaking of breakthroughs, let's talk about what's already transforming how we work. GPT-5 and modern LLMs are revolutionizing cybersecurity reconnaissance in ways that seemed impossible just 2 years ago. These models can synthesize threat intelligence from thousands of sources, generate comprehensive security reports, automate policy creation, and even conduct contextual threat hunting. They're like having a team of senior analysts working around the clock. The applications are limitless, and we're just scratching the surface. Now here's where things get really sci-fi. Neural networks are now automating vulnerability discovery and exploitation at unprecedented speed. These systems can analyze code, identify weaknesses, and even generate working exploits faster than you can read the sentence. They're learning from millions of vulnerability patterns and creating attack vectors that human pen testers would never think of. It's autonomous hacking, and it's both terrifying and incredibly powerful for defense. So where does this leave us? The future of reconnaissance is autonomous, intelligent, and incredibly powerful. For bug bounty hunters, master these AI tools now, and you'll discover vulnerabilities others can't even see. For developers, understand these systems to build truly secure applications. For security leaders, embrace this technology to stay ahead of increasingly sophisticated threats. The key trends to watch: autonomous threat hunting, hybrid human-AI operations, and yes, significant privacy and ethical challenges will need to navigate together. This is your competitive advantage in application security. The future belongs to those who adapt first. Subscribe to Bug Bounty and beyond, join our community, and let's shape the security frontier together. Because in cybersecurity, standing still means falling behind, and we're just getting started.